Looking for that extra nudge to get on top of your writing and presentation skills? Sign up for a HELPS Academic Skills Workshop.
HELPS academic workshops run throughout the spring and autumn semesters and cover a range of topics that'll help you ace your assignments.
Our workshops give you the skills you need for study and assignment success, including note-taking, critical thinking, assignment planning, exam preparation, and more.
I struggled how to understand and map out my first essay, so once I heard HELPS an assignment workshop coming up, then I just knew I had to be there.
As a UTS student, you have access to all our free workshops, but don't worry if you miss one, you can request access to our online bank of recordings. So whether you prefer online or on campus, sign up for our workshops today.